In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts and colors in Durable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh your site's look with a clean, consistent brand style. Let's start with colors. From your editing screen, open the Customize menu at the top left, then choose Colors. Here, you'll see a set of pre-made palettes you can apply in one click. These presets instantly update your entire site, which is great if you want a quick, cohesive look. If you have brand guidelines, switch to creating a custom palette. Set a primary color for key elements like buttons and links, a secondary color for supporting accents, and an accent color for highlights. Aim for strong contrast between text and background to keep everything readable. You can also switch between light and dark themes. Light is often best for longer reading, while dark can create a bold, modern feel. For more control, hover over any section, click the settings cog, and change that block's background color. This lets you spotlight specific areas. Just be sure your text remains legible on top. Quick note while we're here, because Durable is a web-based tool, I've placed a link to access it right at the top of the description. If you're following along, open that link so you can make changes in real time. Next, let's refine your typography. Open the Customize menu again and select Fonts. You can choose from pre-made font packs, which pair a heading font with a body font that work well together. This is the fastest way to get balanced typography. If you want finer control, go to the Custom area to adjust font sizes, and pick specific fonts for headers and body text. Keep headings bold and scannable, and use a clean, highly readable typeface for paragraphs. If your design still doesn't feel right, try the AI Regenerate feature. In the customization panel, click Regenerate to let Durable propose a fresh look. You can also regenerate just a single section by selecting Regenerate next to the Edit button on that block. It's a fast way to discover new combinations without starting from scratch, and it won't change your written content. Finally, edit specific text elements directly by clicking any text on the page. A sidebar opens where you can update the content. In the same section editor, you can style your call to action buttons by adjusting their color, shape, and size. Match your primary brand color for visibility, and choose a size that stands out without overwhelming the layout. That's it. Your site now looks polished and on brand. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.